finding a solution so this family can get great audio to complement their new TV.
It'd be nice to upgrade the sound system, because just using the TV speakers at the moment, and that ain't always the best.
Well, we wanted to send you a solution to solve your audio woes. And you know what? We didn't want to do the hard work. We thought we'd let you guys review it.
She's not wrong. We do like to put our feet up every now and again. It's called our at-home test. We send you the kit, you live with it for a week, and you review it.
So we gave you this, the Sonos Ray. Now, it is Sonos's smallest soundbar. And the reason why we gave you that is that you're quite tight on space, aren't you?
Yeah, we've just got a new TV unit as well, and it's a bit more compact. There's not a space for a massive speaker on there.
But it pairs really nicely with Ikea's symphonisk speakers.
But not only that, they also double up as lights, which is perfect for your compact space.
But they will all connect together to provide surround sound for you.
So let's see how you got on.
So there's quite a few boxes here.
Should we have a look then?
Let's get open.
Nice, isn't it?
Oh, that looks nice.
Here's the soundbar. It's quite stylish, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, I like that.
Streamlined.
And we've got two of these as well. Looks like a bulb goes in there.
I haven't seen anything this style before, which is really good. Yeah, I think we should get them on and let's have a listen.
If we plug everything in first.
OK.
The space saving side, yeah, you can just take one of your normal lamps away, put the speaker there, and perfect.
There you go.
It's
Yeah,
quite
that's really
stylish, yeah.
Now we've just got to connect it and sync it.
So it's asking where we are putting Ray, and we're putting it in the living room.
So all the instructions we followed were through the app. So it's just a simple process from start to finish.
All right, now you've got to add the lamps.
Yeah.
The lamp will play a chime with an audio pin to temporarily connect your mobile device to it.
There you go, yeah, got a tick. The sound pin code works really well.
When you're ready, Brad, hit that button.
I like that.
It's quite impressive, isn't it? Definitely feels as though it's surrounding us more, don't it? Like...
And you can even hear the wind. You can even pick up the individual swooshes of each little gust.
So much detail in the sound.
It's got every little nuance, isn't it?
It made it more immersive.
Yeah.
We was, well, we didn't talk to each other throughout the whole programme. We were just staring at the TV.
And that's the feat to get Bob quiet during the movie. So I'm just testing it out by playing Rocket League. It does sound brilliant, but it's not creating a sort of 360 sound. So whereas when you watch a movie, there's a bit of 360 noise, it's coming from the left, it's coming from the right. You don't seem to be getting that sort of quality on the video games.
I really like the music, so I wanted to try it out as a music system as well. The sound coming from the speakers and the system is brilliant. You can really enjoy your music, and the type of music I like, it's got quite a bit of beat to it and treble, and it comes out perfect. I want to test out the speech enhancement mode now.
It's designed to sort of clarify speech in movies, so if anyone speaks softly or they're whispering, it should make it a lot more clearer.
Speech enhancement is on.
For generations, this stable Eden...
From what we could gather, even when we tried switching it on and off, we couldn't notice any difference. Like, it was impossible to tell.
There was definitely no difference. So might be my hearing, but I've never noticed it.
One human lifetime.
Regardless of whether it worked or not, it's a massive sound improvement on what our TV was producing. And the fact that it's got these nice little warm lights as well, and it's stylish, I think it's a massive improvement. So I'm hoping it's more Ikea price than Sonos price.
Yeah. So we gave you 3 pieces of tech to try and incorporate in your living room. Did it work? Did you enjoy the fact that you both had lights and speakers?
The lights give it a great ambience when you're watching the movies. It's just relaxing as well, and the sound was perfect.
And space saving, because it's a lamp on top of the surround sound speaker.
Would you have been happy with just having just the Sonos Ray, or do you think it being a trio really added to it?
I think the Sonos Ray on its own, it sounded brilliant, but I like the fact that this added to it as well. Like, it gave like a 360 to the sound.
You could be watching a movie and something happens and it makes you jump.
Yeah, sounds like you had the immersive experience that
yeah.
we wanted you to have.
And Bob, you were taken to a new place with your dancing, weren't you?
That was
You
me
were
warming
lost
up.
in the
You always see
music.
me when I get going.
Yeah.
If you wanted this setup in your house,
Yeah.
the Ray is £249.
Oh, OK.
Each speaker is £199, so almost Sonos prices. The
Yeah.
whole package together would be 647 quid. How's that grab you?
What you're getting for the money is a great sound system
Yeah,
and a
yeah.
great light. It's not one of them things that it does both things kind of OK. It does both things
Yeah,
brilliantly.
it does, actually.
So I did think
Yeah.
it was going to come out as a little bit higher than that.
Yep.
So I'd be happy with that price. I can't go back to my normal TV now.
Job done. Thanks to our tech suggestions, this family can definitely shop smarter and live better.